Wow! That's okay, that's okay. Okay, go again. Yeah. Yeah, you did. Grabe, ang taas niya na. Go show grandma. Ni watch it daw. Asan si Jade? Pumasok na naman? Ni manood ka. Wait ka. Yes ko na manood. No, Jelana, you need to go upstairs there. All the way to the end, Jolene. Then you can reach it there. Yeah, go. Yeah. Yan doon pala yung tiyaga. May tiyaga pala dun. Oh! Oh! Kapit! Hang on tight! No, you don't need to close your eyes. You're tough. It's okay. Oo nga. Ang taas yan eh. Over there. She went in baseball. Whoa. Did you tell grandma? Yeah, somebody has to help her, anak. Come on, Jolene. I'll pay you. Matamaan ka dyan, mother. Yung Makati dyan, may Makati dyan eh.
Pwede naman niyang iganon sa ano niya.
Oo nga, gawin niya nga.
Ba't ayaw niyang iganon? Ang taas.